Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to do laundry the right way. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to improve your laundry routine, this video will walk you through every step, from sorting your clothes to folding them neatly at the end. Laundry might seem like a simple chore, but doing it properly can make your clothes last longer and look better. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to fresh, clean laundry every time. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary supplies. You'll need laundry detergent, fabric softener if you use it, stain remover, and of course, a washing machine and dryer or a drying rack. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process smoother and help you avoid interruptions. Check that your detergent is suitable for your clothes and machine type, and keep a laundry basket handy for easy transport. Sorting your laundry is a crucial first step. Separate your clothes by color, whites, lights, and darks. This prevents color bleeding and keeps your whites looking bright. You should also sort by fabric type and washing requirements. For example, delicate fabrics like silk or lace need a gentler wash than sturdy jeans or towels. Taking the time to sort properly will protect your clothes and ensure the best results. Always check the care labels on your clothing before washing. These labels provide important information about water temperature, recommended cycle, and whether the item should be air-dried or tumble-dried. Ignoring care instructions can lead to shrinking, fading, or damaging your clothes. If you're unsure about a symbol, look it up or keep a reference chart nearby. This small step can save you from laundry disasters. If you notice any stains, treat them before putting your clothes in the wash. Use a stain remover or a bit of detergent directly on the spot and gently rub it in. Let it sit for a few minutes to break down the stain. For tough stains, you may need to repeat the process or soak the item. Addressing stains early increases the chances of removing them completely. Now it's time to load your clothes into the washing machine. Don't overload the drum. Clothes need space to move around for effective cleaning. Place similar items together, and avoid washing heavy items with delicates. Make sure to distribute the load evenly to prevent the machine from becoming unbalanced during the cycle. Select the right detergent for your laundry. There are many types available, including liquid, powder, and pods. Some detergents are formulated for specific fabrics or washing machines, like high-efficiency HE models. Use the recommended amount. Too much detergent can leave residue, while too little may not clean effectively. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a hypoallergenic formula. Fabric softener can make your clothes feel softer and reduce static. Add it to the designated compartment in your washing machine, or use a fabric softener ball if your machine doesn't have one. Be careful not to use softener on towels or athletic wear, as it can reduce absorbency and performance. Always follow the instructions on the bottle for best results. Choosing the right water temperature is important for both cleaning and fabric care. Cold water is best for dark colors and delicate fabrics, while warm or hot water is more effective for whites and heavily soiled items. However, hot water can shrink or fade some materials. When in doubt, use cold water to be safe and energy efficient. Modern washing machines offer a variety of cycles, such as normal, delicate, heavy-duty, and quick wash. Select the cycle that matches your load. Delicate cycles use gentler agitation and lower spin speeds, while heavy-duty cycles are best for towels and bedding. Using the right cycle helps protect your clothes and ensures they come out clean. Once everything is set, close the washing machine door and start the cycle. Double check that you've added detergent and any other products. It's a good habit to stay nearby for the first few minutes to ensure the machine is running smoothly and there are no leaks or issues. While most modern machines don't require much attention during the wash, it's still wise to check in occasionally. Listen for unusual noises or vibrations, which could indicate an unbalanced load. If you notice anything unusual, pause the cycle and redistribute the clothes as needed. When the cycle is finished, promptly remove your clothes from the washer. Leaving them inside can cause wrinkles and even mildew. Give each item a quick shake to reduce wrinkles and prepare them for drying. Check for any remaining stains and set those items aside for retreatment if necessary. You have two main options for drying, using a dryer or air drying. Each method has its pros and cons. Dryers are fast and convenient, but can be harsh on delicate fabrics. Air drying is gentler and saves energy, but takes longer. Choose the method that best suits your clothes and lifestyle. If you're using a dryer, clean the lint filter before each load to ensure safety and efficiency. Select the appropriate heat setting: low for delicates, medium for most clothes, and high for towels and bedding. Don't overload the dryer, and remove clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles. For air drying, hang clothes on a drying rack or clothesline. Spread items out to allow air circulation and faster drying. Avoid direct sunlight for dark colors, as it can cause fading. Delicate items should be laid flat to maintain their shape. Air drying is especially good for items that shrink easily. Delicate fabrics like silk, lace, or wool require special care. Always air dry these items, laying them flat on a clean towel to prevent stretching. Avoid wringing or twisting, as this can damage the fibers. Gently reshape the garment while it's damp for the best results. To prevent shrinkage, always follow care label instructions and use cold water for washing. Avoid high heat in the dryer, and air dry items that are prone to shrinking. Wool, cotton, and some synthetic fabrics are especially susceptible. Taking these precautions will help your clothes maintain their original size and fit. Once your clothes are dry, fold them promptly to prevent wrinkles and keep your wardrobe organized. Each type of clothing has its own folding method. Shirts, pants, towels, and socks all benefit from proper folding. Taking a few extra minutes to fold neatly will save you time later and keep your clothes looking their best. Some items, like dress shirts, dresses, and jackets, are best hung up rather than folded. Use sturdy hangers and give each item enough space to avoid creasing. Hanging helps maintain the shape and appearance of your clothes, especially for items that wrinkle easily. Store your clean, folded, or hung clothes in a cool, dry place. Avoid overcrowding your closet or drawers, as this can lead to wrinkles and make it harder to find what you need. Keeping your storage area organized will help your clothes stay fresh and ready to wear. Some fabrics, like wool, silk, or linen, require special care. Always check the label and consider hand washing or using a gentle cycle. Use mild detergent in cold water, and avoid wringing or twisting. For best results, lay these items flat to dry and reshape them while damp. If your clothes come out smelling less than fresh, try washing them with a cup of white vinegar or baking soda. These natural deodorizers can help remove stubborn odors. Make sure your washing machine is clean, as a dirty machine can transfer smells to your laundry. Regularly clean your washing machine to keep it running efficiently. Run an empty cycle with hot water and a cup of vinegar or a washing machine cleaner once a month. Wipe down the door and gasket to prevent mold and mildew. A clean machine means cleaner clothes. To save energy, wash full loads whenever possible and use cold water for most cycles. Air dry clothes when you can, and clean the lint filter in your dryer after each use. These small changes can lower your utility bills and reduce your environmental impact. Consider using eco-friendly detergents and fabric softeners, which are better for the environment and your skin. Wash clothes in cold water and line dry when possible. Reuse towels and wear clothes more than once if they're still clean to reduce the number of loads you do each week. If you or your family members have sensitive skin, choose hypoallergenic detergents and avoid fabric softeners with strong fragrances. Rinse clothes thoroughly to remove any detergent residue. Washing new clothes before wearing them can also help reduce irritation. Baby clothes need extra care. Use a gentle, fragrance-free detergent and avoid fabric softeners. Wash baby items separately from the rest of the laundry and rinse thoroughly to remove any detergent residue. Always check for stains and treat them before washing. Laundry symbols can be confusing, but they're important for proper care. Common symbols include a tub for washing, a triangle for bleaching, a square for drying, and an iron for ironing. Dots indicate temperature, and lines indicate gentleness. Keep a reference chart handy to decode these symbols and avoid mistakes. Lost socks are a common laundry mystery. To avoid losing them, wash socks in a mesh laundry bag or pin pairs together before washing. Always check the washer and dryer for stray socks before finishing your laundry. Keeping socks together saves time and frustration. Ironing helps remove wrinkles and keeps your clothes looking sharp. Always check the care label for ironing instructions and use the right heat setting for each fabric. Iron clothes while they're slightly damp for best results, and use steam for stubborn wrinkles. If you don't have an iron, there are other ways to remove wrinkles. Hang clothes in the bathroom while you shower to let the steam work. Or use a wrinkle release spray. Tossing clothes in the dryer with a damp towel for a few minutes can also help smooth out wrinkles. A well-organized laundry room makes the process easier and more efficient. Keep supplies like detergent, softener, and stain remover within reach. Use baskets or bins to sort clothes and keep the area tidy. Good organization saves time and reduces stress. Safety is important in the laundry room. Keep detergents and cleaning products out of reach of children and pets. Clean up spills immediately and make sure the area is dry to prevent slips. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for your appliances. Avoid common laundry mistakes like overloading the machine, using too much detergent, or ignoring care labels. These errors can lead to poor cleaning, damaged clothes, and even appliance problems. Taking a little extra care will help you get the best results every time. If you live in a small space, use compact appliances or portable washers. Collapsible drying racks and stackable baskets can help you make the most of limited room. Organize supplies in vertical storage to keep everything accessible and tidy. When traveling, pack a small bottle of detergent and a sink stopper for quick washes. Use hotel laundry services for larger loads, or find a local laundromat. Hang clothes to dry in your room, and pack a mesh bag for dirty laundry to keep it separate from clean items. Large families generate more laundry, so set a regular schedule to keep up. Assign laundry days or tasks to different family members. Use color-coded baskets for sorting and encourage everyone to help with folding and putting away clothes. If you're a student living away from home, learn the basics of laundry early. Use shared laundry facilities responsibly and avoid leaving clothes unattended. Bring your own supplies and try to wash full loads to save money and time. Pet hair can be a challenge in laundry. Shake out clothes and bedding before washing, and use a lint roller or pet hair remover. Clean the washer and dryer regularly to prevent buildup. Wash pet items separately when possible. Speed up your laundry routine with a few hacks. Use mesh bags for small items, pre-sort laundry with divided baskets, and keep stain remover handy for quick treatment. Dry clothes faster by adding a clean, dry towel to the dryer with wet items. Different stains require different treatments. For example, treat grease stains with dish soap, ink stains with rubbing alcohol, and grass stains with a mixture of vinegar and water. Having a stain removal chart handy can help you tackle any mess quickly and effectively. There are many myths about laundry, such as more detergent means cleaner clothes, or hot water is always best. In reality, using too much detergent can leave residue, and hot water can damage fabrics. Stick to recommended amounts and temperatures for the best results. If you encounter problems like lingering odors, detergent residue, or clothes not coming out clean, check your machine settings and cleaning habits. Clean your washer regularly, use the right amount of detergent, and don't overload the machine. Simple adjustments can solve most laundry issues. Congratulations! You now know how to do laundry the right way. By following these steps, you'll keep your clothes looking great and make laundry day much easier. Remember to sort, treat stains, use the right settings, and care for your machines. With a little practice, laundry will become a simple and satisfying part of your routine.